Welcome to Wobbin Photo. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick, easy photo collage on our website, wobbinphoto.com. First thing I do is I log into the website, and then once I'm on the home page, I click on Canvas and Wall Decor. I'm going to choose Collages, Banners, and Decals. And then here it shows me a variety of different options, horizontal, vertical, and square. So for this one, I'm going to do a 20 by 16 photo collage. On this page, you can choose from a variety of different collages, or on the left, if you click on All Styles, it shows you some of the themes that we have available. You can choose from one of the themes or create your own. So for this, I'm just going to do a colorful collage, and I'm going to click on Next. And then it loads the collage builder. So you'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen, I have my photos collection. These are photos that I've previously uploaded. Above it I have layouts, and this is how you can choose the design layout that you want for the page. So I'm going to do today, I'm just going to show you a basic collage that'll hold 6 pictures, and the button next to it you see I have backgrounds. So here I can choose the different color of the background I want to use. You have a variety of different colors, or you can pick this button and you can choose from more colors, and you have even more colors if you click the button below. And here you have a custom color tool. So for this one, I'm just going to do a dark green background. When I'm done, I just click anywhere in the collage and I can go back to choosing my photos. So this is going to be a wine trip collage, so I'll click on the wine trip photos, and here all you have to do is drag and drop your photos where you want them. You'll notice a green checkbox next to the photos that I've used. And that's all you have to do to make a basic collage. If you want to change the layouts, you just go up to layout, you can choose a different layout. If you want to add more photos or replace a photo, you can just drag it over it and it will replace that photo with another one. You have options on the bottom where you can choose, go back to your layouts tab, you can choose your background tab, you can actually add another photo which would be on top of these, or you can add text. Here I'm just going to add a little bit of text. Now you'll notice this may not be where you want it, so if you grab anywhere on this box in the yellow area, you can move this box around. If you grab the orange buttons, you can move it to make the box smaller. Now that's pretty small, so what I will do here is I will choose my font size, I will increase it, and I'll probably move the box over so I can see it a little bit better. I can choose to make it bold, I can choose a different font, I can choose to make it italic, I can choose alignment, so how I want to align the text in the box. I can change that color, so I can make it a little different. I can remove the box, or I can add another text box. If I choose this, I can just move that where I want it, and that's it. You can build a photo collage in less than 5 minutes on our website. In another video, I'm going to show you a more advanced photo collage where you can add photos, add different background items, change the layout, and do various things with text. But for this one, I just wanted to show you the basics of how to make a photo collage on Wobbin Photo. When you're done, you just click Add to Cart. Here on this particular product, you have a variety of different options. 2 different paper options. You can order it on canvas, or you can order it on aluminum glossy panel. I'm going to do a panel. I click Add to Cart, and that's it. I've ordered my photo collage. I can do checkout. And that's all you have to do to order a photo collage on Wobbin Photo. I hope you enjoyed learning about making a photo collage, and I hope to see your projects on our website.